thank you all for coming.
Me too.
For this great honor. This was not supposed to be ceremonial, but I did have to want Miss D to say something, and I want the porters to say something before it's installed.
We started this about 3 or 4 years ago. We wanted to honor the victims of lynching in DeKalb County. This is the last of the 3 markers to be installed in DeKalb County. COVID did not stop us. Yeah. Our main focus was to get these markers installed. And I want to welcome the family of Mr. Turner. They have been working with us all along.
We've really been involved in this project because of you guys. Because until I was contacted at my church, I did not know about this. I did not know about this. My parents, I was the youngest of 9, and they were very protective of me. And they never mentioned this to me. They talked about a whole lot of things, but not this. And I want to thank you guys.
In speaking this truth in this beautiful neighborhood that prides itself on being historic, we're taking a step forward. History is not merely something to be read, and it does not refer merely or even principally to the past. And history is literally present in all that we do.
We need to come to grips with this race problem in our country. I don't know if this will do it. I doubt seriously if it will. But each step closer to telling the truth gets us closer to getting some kind of reconciliation, understand that we're all Americans.
Yeah.